Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. To take you to the market, it opened on a very muted note, about Sensex down about 40 points and Nifty about 15 points down when it opened. Now this was like a mixed information and a couple of data emerging from the US markets, which closed about 76 points down on the Dow Jones. Now US markets, they have mixed data coming in. On one set, they have poor economic manufacturing data. On the other side, they have good consumer spending. So, and also on the further Fed bond buying, there's a speculation that it may end soon than anticipated by the market analyst. This has almost led to the turmoil in the worldwide markets after Fed chairman said that they might kind of curtail down on the bond buying program. Coming back, FIRs have been definitely again the big chunk of buyers in our Indian stock market, leading the way for the Nifty and the Sensex to rise by almost 10% on the YTD basis. We can see that the daily figures of the FI, they have been continuous buyer. On the other side, mutual funds have been net sellers this time back too. Coming back to the stocks which are in the green, we have Sun Pharma, GAIL, we have Hindalco, ONGC, Dr. Reddy Labs are the one on the gainer side in the Sensex. On the loser side, we have kind of the banking like SBI, Axis Bank. We have real estate, which is led by HDIL, though DLF was a bit down in the early trade, but it has recovered and is up by almost 1%. But we are not seeing any kind of strength in the real estate sector as well. Yesterday, Cabinet okayed the real estate regulatory bill, which the developer said is kind of there on a back foot after the Cabinet okayed the bill. So they are not happy with the bill. We need to see what now lies in store for the real estate developers. Coming back to the other news, Renbaxy again, bad news keep on pouring in. Now the PIL has been filed in kind of the Supreme Court against the Renbaxy directors and sealing of its entire unit in the Devas and the Panatan Sahib. So Renbaxy again, they admitted to the felony charges and ready to pay settle with the US $500 million with the US FDA. Now again in the Indian front, they are facing again these charges. So all in all, it's had not been a good month or the week so far for Renbaxy. The stock is down almost 1%. On the Indian rupee front, we have 56.40 or 56.42 against the US dollar. Still, we are on the weaker side because of the constant dollar pressure from the gold imports as well as the OMC companies. Friends, there have been a couple of data also which may be emerging from the other markets as well, because currently domestic micro have nothing to show because the quarterly earnings have also over and we have no much any important data or even lined up. So market right now would be relied on mostly on the global factors and the liquidity situation. That's all the news and updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post market. Thanks.